Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt like your hands just didn't belong to you? As if every finger was locked, every knuckle on fire. Helen, a 72-year-old grandmother from Ohio, knows that feeling all too well. For years, her mornings started the same way. Sitting on the edge of her bed, staring at her swollen fingers, dreading the thought of tying her shoes or holding her coffee cup. She remembers the first time her granddaughter reached for her hand, and she winced in pain. "What's wrong, Grandma?" the little girl asked. Helen just smiled, but inside she felt helpless. Doctors gave her creams and pills. Some helped a little, but nothing seemed to last. Then one evening at her church book club, a friend leaned over and said, "You know, my grandmother used to make a simple remedy with just 3 things from her kitchen. It worked wonders for her hands." Skeptical but desperate, Helen gave it a try. And to her surprise, within days, she felt a difference she hadn't felt in years. What if the relief you've been looking for is already sitting in your kitchen right now? Before we get to the remedy, it's important to understand what's really happening inside our bodies when we feel joint pain. For many seniors like Helen, arthritis is one of the most common culprits. Arthritis simply means inflammation of the joints, and there are many forms: osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, and others. Over time, the cartilage that cushions our joints can wear away. Without that soft padding, bones start to rub against each other. That friction causes pain, stiffness, and swelling. Some people develop rheumatoid arthritis, where the body's own immune system attacks the lining of the joints, creating inflammation and discomfort. Others experience gout, which happens when uric acid builds up in the blood and forms sharp crystals inside the joints, most often in the toes. Why does this happen more as we age? As we grow older, our bodies naturally lose collagen and hydration, 2 things that help keep joints smooth and flexible. The circulation to our extremities also slows down, which means healing takes longer. Add years of wear and tear, and it's no wonder our knees, hips, fingers, and toes start to protest. If you've noticed that your hands feel stiff in the morning or your knees ache after walking just a few blocks, you're not alone. Almost half of Americans over 65 live with some form of arthritis or chronic joint pain. The good news is there are many ways to care for your joints: gentle exercise, staying at a healthy weight, eating anti-inflammatory foods, and yes, simple natural remedies that can bring comfort without the side effects of heavy medications. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today: a soothing option you can try tonight using ingredients you already have at home. It may surprise you to learn that some of the most powerful helpers for your joints aren't found in a pharmacy, they're sitting right in your kitchen. This simple remedy comes from a time when people turned to what was fresh and natural to soothe their aches. All you need are 3 humble ingredients: 1 potato, 1 onion, and just 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. That's it. Why these? Well, each of these ingredients carries its own natural healing power. The potato, rich in minerals and natural anti-inflammatory compounds, has been used in poultices for centuries to draw out pain and swelling. The onion, known for its sulfur and antioxidant properties, can help improve circulation and ease inflammation when applied to sore areas. And the flaxseed, packed with omega-3 fatty acids and mucilage, creates a soothing base that locks in moisture and allows the other ingredients to penetrate more deeply into the skin. When combined in just the right way, these 3 create a gentle yet effective compress you can use on your hands, feet, knees, hips, or anywhere that aches. Now let me walk you through exactly how to prepare this remedy step by step. Take your time and don't rush. This is as much about the care you put into it as it is about the ingredients themselves. Start by measuring out 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and placing it in a small saucepan. Add about 3 ounces of water, that's roughly half a small coffee cup. Turn the heat to medium-low and let it cook gently for about 10 minutes. You're looking for the flaxseed to release its natural gel and turn into a thick, smooth mixture. Stir occasionally to keep it from sticking. When it's done, take the pan off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. This cooling step is important so the heat doesn't damage the other ingredients. While your flaxseed mixture cools, take 1 medium-sized potato. Wash it thoroughly, but don't peel it. The skin contains valuable nutrients. Grate the entire potato using a box grater. You should end up with a nice, moist pile of grated potato. Next, take 1 medium-sized red onion. Peel it and grate it as well. Yes, it might make your eyes water a little, but it's worth it. Once your flaxseed mixture is cool enough to handle, add the grated potato and grated onion into the saucepan. Stir well until everything is evenly mixed into a slightly sticky, fragrant paste. Finally, place the mixture in a clean bowl and strain out any excess liquid by pressing gently through a cheesecloth or even a clean kitchen towel. You want the mixture to be moist but not dripping wet, just right to stay in place on your skin. Now your homemade joint remedy is ready to use. Let me show you how to apply it where you need it most. If the pain is in your hands or feet, a common spot for arthritis and gout, simply scoop some of the mixture into an old pair of cotton gloves or socks. Spread it evenly so it covers the inside surface, then slip them on. The mixture will stay in place, working on your aching joints while you rest. If your knees, hips, spine, ribs, or shoulders are sore, you'll want to use a compress. Take a piece of clean cheesecloth, or even a thin cotton towel, and spread a layer of the mixture onto it. Then gently place the cloth over the affected area. Once it's in place, wrap it with a soft bandage or another piece of cloth to keep it snug and secure. For best results, leave the compress on overnight, so the ingredients have plenty of time to penetrate and soothe the inflammation. In the morning, simply remove the cloth and wash the area with warm soap and water. This gentle overnight treatment gives your joints the relief they deserve naturally and comfortably while you sleep. Before you try this remedy, though, let me share a few simple precautions and extra tips to make sure you get the best results safely. Onion can sometimes cause mild skin irritation or redness, especially if your skin is sensitive. To prevent this, you can apply a thin layer of olive oil or a mild skin cream to the area before putting on the compress. This creates a little barrier while still allowing the ingredients to work. While this remedy is gentle and natural, it's not meant to replace medical treatment prescribed by your doctor. If you have an infection, open wounds, or a serious underlying condition, always check with your healthcare provider first. Also remember to make a fresh batch each time you use it. The ingredients are natural and don't keep well overnight. Here's another tip: adding a fish oil supplement to your daily routine can help nourish your joints from the inside out. Fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and improve joint flexibility over time. It works hand in hand with the external compress to bring relief both inside and out. Finally, be patient with yourself. Natural remedies often take a few nights before you notice real improvement. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. You deserve to feel good in your own skin again. Helen never thought something so simple could make such a big difference. But just a week after trying this homemade remedy, she found herself holding her granddaughter's hand again without flinching. These little victories matter. They remind us that we're not powerless even when our bodies feel like they're letting us down. If you've been waking up each morning dreading the ache in your joints or avoiding the things you love because of the pain, please don't give up. Relief may be closer than you think. You already have the power to start feeling better tonight with just a potato and onion and a spoonful of flaxseed. You deserve to enjoy your days again, gardening, cooking, playing with the grandkids, whatever brings you joy. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried a home remedy that worked for you? Do you have questions about how to use this one? Leave a comment below and share your story. Your experience might just inspire someone else. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more timeless wisdom to help you live well naturally. Here's to healthy, happy joints and a life full of the little things you love.